How to fix Samsung Health not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Scroll down and search Samsung Health. Click on this search icon and search Samsung Health. You will see Samsung Health is here, so click on Samsung Health. Scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, you will see showing you clear cache and clear data. So if you want to fix Samsung Health not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. You will see after the process your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Samsung Health not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.